The cryptocurrency market is becoming more positive, and now Shiba Inu might eventually explode into a new 12-month high. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or own Shib tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? The question then becomes, how does this impact the value of Shiba Inu? Today, I'll be addressing all of your questions and sharing all the new information that has just surfaced regarding Shiba Inu in my video. Please watch the whole video from beginning to finish so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But before we go into it, how about we check out the chart for January 18th to see how the Shiba price is doing. The current price of a Shiba Inu is around 2,270 units. The price of Shib has fallen 6% in the last 24 hours, with a trading volume of $1 billion in that time. At the moment, the token is the 17th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more over $13.3 billion. Remember that all rates are subject to change at the time of video release. We do not provide financial advice on this material. The video for today is ready to go. Crucial on-chain measure for Shiba Inu increases by 1,799%. Then what? A crucial on-chain measure for the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu has seen a spectacular increase as the year 2025 begins. Into the block data shows that the size of Shiba Inu's big holder net flows, a metric for the movement of whales or large holders, has increased by a hopping 1079%. Shiba Inu has had a 5% decline in price during the last 24 hours, according to Into the Block. Important on-chain measure that shows how big investors are behaving is large holder net flow. Large holdings, or whales, may be seen in the indicator's purchasing and selling patterns. Large holders are likely increasing their holdings when the net flow is positive and may be selling when the net flow is negative. There may be significant accumulation by whales in the Shiba Inu population due to the dramatic rise in big holder net flows. Given that the Shiba Inu ecosystem is anticipated to undergo substantial developments in 2025, this tendency may serve as an optimistic indicator for Shib. With the promise of privacy improvements brought about by completely homomorphic encryption, the Treat token is poised to transform the way blockchain handles data. It would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button if you're still here. With no out-of-pocket expense, you can show your support for the channel. But stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu coin. This is the meaning of the Shiba Inu hitting the 102 trillion milestone. The top dog-themed cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu, has had a successful start to 2025. Shiba has progressively increased from 2,000 units at the beginning of the year to 2,425 units presently. This may be the asset's third day of increases in a row, which would give investors further reason to be optimistic. As the new year progresses, the cryptocurrency industry as a whole has also seen considerable advances. The industry as a whole seems to be benefiting from the increasing attention of investors since the price of many digital assets has increased. Learn the significance of altcoins like Shiba Inu reaching the 102 trillion mark. Shiba Inu, a prominent cryptocurrency with a dog motif, has had a great start to 2025. The present trend is at least in part driven by altcoins, which, because to their higher volatility than Bitcoin, often provide better chances for short-term profits. The optimistic mood seen at the beginning of 2025 may be explained by the fact that digital assets have historically had a good first quarter. Here is what the Shiba Inu's recent 102 trillion level implies as of this report's publishing. The top dog-themed cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu, has had a successful start to 2025. Was up 2% in the last 24 hours and 5% in the last week, as it was trading at 2270 units. Also, the fact that Shib's 24-hour trading volume is more than $1 billion shows how popular the token is. surpasses 102 trillion. What is the next step? The recent upswing in the Shiba Inu price has placed it in a pivotal trading range, where heavy trading has usually taken place. Into the Block reports that between 2,200 and 2,400 SHIB tokens were purchased, which amounts to about 102.57 trillion tokens. On average, 2,300 apartments were purchased within this area, which included 80,900 addresses. Shiba Inu has broken through that little barrier and is now trading just above this range at 2,270 units. Nevertheless, it will have to conquer the zone of substantial opposition between 2,400 and 3,000 units. There may be obstacles to continued growth in this area, since 207,630 addresses own more over 70 trillion SHIB tokens. Support levels in case of downturn. The 1,900 to 2,200 unit Shiba Inu price range provides solid protection in the case of a price decline. There is a strong foundation for the asset should selling pressure intensify, since data reveals that 47,250 addresses within this area own nearly 28.77 trillion SHIB tokens. At the beginning of 2025, the cryptocurrency market is generally strong, which is good news for Shiba Inu and other assets. The success of SHIB in overcoming obstacles and keeping investors interested will determine if its present trajectory continues to be favorable. The meat of today's video is about to begin. Shiba Inu is about to release a new token for its governance. A new currency for governance and ecosystem incentives called Treat will be launched by the meme-coin ecosystem Shiba Inu. Without giving a specific date, the initiative said that Treat would begin in January in a post on social networking site X. After many months of teasing, Treat has finally arrived. The official statement states that Treat will function as a token to access the services. According to the statement, if you hold Treat, you'll have first dibs on innovative payment options and virtual collaborative tools that will change the way people engage with technology in the future. The Shiba Inu initiative is continuing its journey from a meme coin to a significant blockchain initiative with the debut of Treat. The project has released many products, including as the Shibarium layer, 2 networks, and various tokens in an attempt to do this. A lot of people think that Treat, which came after Shiba Inu, said it was going to become a decentralized autonomous organization, is the beginning of a new chapter for the project. Nevertheless, investors in the United States will not be able to purchase the token since it was expressly stated in the announcement article that it was not meant for US audiences. In what situations might Treat be useful? Various applications of the coin within the SHIB ecosystem were detailed on the Shiba Inu website's Treat page. The website claims that additional capabilities, such as Shib, an on-chain payment mechanism for the Shiba Inu network, would be unlocked with Treat. Treat, it added, would let customers to make direct payments without going via middlemen, all while maintaining confidence and openness using blockchain authentication. We are entering a new age of crypto-powered commerce, made possible by this breakthrough. In addition to that, it powers improved yield farming in the Doluof Wars, Farming 2.0, and acts as a prize token. Liquidity providers will get extra rewards and trading fees, and holders may use Treat to influence pair bonuses based on the information on the Treat page. Nevertheless, Treat will double as the governance token. By staking Treat, holders may grow their voting power and use it to affect the course of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. An innovation branch for the network is in the works for the Shib ecosystem. Users will be able to cast votes on proposed projects to develop and allocate available liquidity to. If Shib's 2025 success is any indication, it won't be sustained. Shiba Inu investors are launching Treat in the hopes that Shib, the company's flagship meme coin, would maintain its strong growth until 2025. Despite ending 2024 in a negative situation, with a loss of more than 23% in 30 days, the token is up about 5% since the year began, according to CoinMarketCap. 4 distinct tokens, Shib, Leash, Bone, and Treat, are now part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. With its cooperation with Chainlink, The project's other tokens are part of a multi-chain ecosystem. However, Shib is still the most popular and biggest by market value. With today's decline in value, nevertheless, it's unclear if Shib can sustain its positive momentum. There has been no meaningful price gain in memecoin because to its huge supply and sluggish burn rate, with just 4 to 4.6 billion tokens burnt in 2024. Despite this, many holders are hoping for a bull run that would push the price above $1. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.